peeps, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today I'm barefaced, naked as F, and yeah, we're just gonna do skincare routine. Makeup actually glides on better on your skin if it's clean, clear and smooth. At the same time, it's very important to take care of your skin, girl. Look at this, like I have not been taking care of my skin lately, so here comes the mess. Here comes the mess. So without further ado, let's just go on to do the skincare routine. So yeah.
Hello, gorgeous thing. Look at me, I'm naked. I have a self-made beehive and a face full of shit, like how you're doing. Sometimes I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, what the hell am I gonna do with my precious, beautiful skin? So anyways, I decided to do a skincare routine step by step to bring out the inner beauty and make me look fabulous AF. Yes, mamacita. Got my bucket full of sky juice ready and we're gonna make sure our skin is clear from makeup, grease and all that kind of shit. We're gonna start off with my favorite scrub. This is the Ives Blemish Control Apricot Scrub. Scrumptious. So yeah, we're gonna scrub them blackhead and like pimples away, you know, really get into those pores and blackheads and your nasty thing. And then just basically take some water, some sky juice, and basically rub and rub and scrub. Oh yes. Now I'm gonna use a sponge here to actually remove all those additional stuff that I couldn't clear earlier today. And yeah, I basically took like 4 times. In the 4th. To scrub finish. Now that the face is cleared, we're gonna be taking a cleanser and this is Boscia, okay? Detoxifying black cleanser. So yeah, once this is activated on your skin, it actually feels more warm. Yeah, I have no idea what it is, but yeah, it feels so good. Yeah, so basically I'm just applying this around my face and rub. And yeah, once you're done with that, I'm just going to be removing it with the same sponge that I used earlier just now. It feels so great. Yeah. Looking good already? Yeah, I think so too. Mask. This is the Baby Pet Magic Mask Sheet, like Panda. I'm Panda Manda. Yeah, so I'm just gonna tear this open. This is from Korea. Yeah. Let me just try that again. Okay, I think that did the job. And here we go. This is the mask. The reason why I bought this mask because like look at that. Like this is just like okay. Oh yeah. Do I look like a panda now? Oh. How you doing? Oh shit. That's just so lame. Okay, I think I better stop now. I'm just gonna wait 15 to 10 minutes. And I'm back. That was a quick, weird change. Anyways, now we're gonna do this peel part. Oh yeah, that feels so good. Hi. So just rub the excess moisture on your face and then just like tap tap tap, fab.
So these pimples and all these blackheads won't magically go away after one time of doing the mask. But I'm going to be doing like facial wash and everything on a daily basis and see like how long it takes for this stuff to go away. Yeah. Good morning guys. So I had plenty of sleep, rest, water and the facial stuff. So now this is the result. My face feels a bit more bouncy and smooth, and yeah, the pimples on top reduced, my eye bags got a little bit less. It worked guys, it worked. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you like me, please subscribe to my channel below. It's a red big button down there. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!